So my average was 23.16 seconds. Not too shabby for my first video in the series. This was the first time in over a year that I recorded myself solving the cube. There were a few hiccups, which was expected, a few lockups here and there, as well as one or two F2L mistakes that cost me some time. But all in all, I think it was pretty successful. I plan to use these series of videos as a discussion and support group where we can all get together as a community and help each other grow as speedcubers. So I encourage you to make your own videos and post them as video responses in the comment section below. It doesn't matter if you can solve the cube in 10 seconds or 10 minutes. We can all learn from one another and grow. And that's what I love about speedcubing. It's never ending. You can always find a way to improve and get better. I am looking forward to reading your comments and suggestions because I know that my solves are not perfect, and I'm sure many of you can solve the cube faster than me. Constructive criticism will always be appreciated. So anyways guys, thanks for watching this video, and until next time, happy cubing.